trust your noble soul in your sword. Do not defy me.
So, winners final Soul Calibur 2 against Sleeping Bio against Alexei. Cervantes vs Voldo, a classic here in Luxembourg.
Sleeping Bio is not the only Voldo player that we are famous about at the moment.
Yeah.
And not the only Voldo player in top 3 actually.
But your boy Ron is still there.
Cowboy, Roberto, Rod 88, first game. Roll up and kicking.
But how about that match?
So let's see this. I have no idea about Soul Calibur. This is a nightmare and I hope that it works.
It's really scrambling right now. Who misses the combo, misses the grab, but Alexei takes it. They get the KO
With the low.
It's actually not a low, that's the high.
That was a high.
That was a high.
I hit him in the shin. It's not low.
A grab, no the mixer.
It's the grab. This was Voldo stuff. Can't explain.
Alexei knows Voldo really well.
His brother plays him after all.
Yeah. And he also beats me. Always
And it's
my
2-0 to Alexei in the first match.
That was really quick.
Let's see. Voldo just
But
shuffling.
elbow. Oh, this clear. Nice. Counter.
It's all of the hits in.
Ooh, unblockable. And the grab
the
does it.
KO.
First match goes to Alexei.
Pretty convincingly actually.
Yeah, very convincing.
Do we see a character switch from Sleeping Bio? Of course we do.
Ooh, we got a Shanghua.
I should have known.
Versus Shanghua.
Justice will prevail.
The almighty ones of wallow in your despair.
Okay, time to say your prayers.
Let's see if the character change will
See if Shanghua
benefit.
can do it against Cervantes.
She's really quick, so grab, doing some damage. But the range, Cervantes has the range.
But Sleeping Bio told me Shanghua was one of the best and cheapest characters in the game.
Yeah, she's actually
Is that
really
true?
good. Yeah, she's actually really good because she's really fast, has a lot of mix-ups.
Yeah, apparently she has a mid-mid into low string, which is really hard to see.
Yeah.
And apparently she has a mid-mix into that low. But I'm not sure.
Actually, I'm not really sure about it. Ooh, but Alexei just shows us that
Convincing round.
Shanghua, even though she's quick, she loses a lot of health.
Yeah, that's true.
So one more.
So about Cervantes, is he a good character in the game? Are there actually any bad characters in the game?
I would say that Cervantes is a really good character. He has also a lot of mix-up potential. He's a bit slow, but he does really
Yeah, but he's an old man.
He's no one.
He's an old man, so.
He's an old man. So it's like Mike's home. Nice. Ooh, that's a counter hit. Ooh, the counter
Gets the
grab.
grab.
Ooh, but
Nice.
Sleeping Bio gets the grab.
Nice round. He's shuffling around him.
So Voldo did nothing for Sleeping Bio, but Shanghua, that's
Shanghua seems to be doing it. Alexei doing something.
He's charging it. So he has something to unblockable.
That's good to know. But do you know if you can get pushed off the stage by getting hit on your block? Is that possible?
No. Okay, you have to hit. You have to free spring.
It's pretty even right now. But now Sleeping Bio gets in another grab. He has a big life advantage.
Ooh, the tech throw. Ooh,
Nice
the
lows.
sidewalk, yeah, but if it's
Ooh, the range. Nice outranged by Cervantes' swords.
Cervantes has range, but he's a little bit slower than Shanghua.
Yes, I think that's what her advantage is. She has about the same range, but much faster.
But he also knows Shanghua, my brother, because I also play him.
You do?
Yeah,
Of course you do.
I play 6-10. Ooh, that was a nice counter. Nice parry counter. A stab, gets a stab.
Does every character actually get something guaranteed off of her turn? Or not?
Not everyone. Ooh, that was nice.
Nice.
Scramble.
2-0 to Alexei.
But he has a little bit trouble against Shanghua.
Yes. I think the Shanghua character switch does it for Sleeping Bio.
Yeah.
I think he should stay with her.
Me personally, I like the Shanghua.
And he takes the right
and he
decision.
listens to us. That's the right decision. Always listen to your boys.
Yeah, exactly.
All the boys. Actually, Sleeping Bio is dead for me because he doesn't play Voldo anymore. So
Ah, well. Nobody can be perfect.
yeah,
You're going
Except
to regret
Voldo, of
this.
course.
yeah. So last match, perhaps last match, Sleeping Bio has to change something.
Nice counter
He
hit.
has to do some good. I think that was a counter hit. Yeah.
So I'm starting to get the game.
Yeah. Ooh, into that grab, but that was a counter.
This does it.
And that's his guaranteed.
A really convincing round by Alexei. Potentially last match of this winners finals.
It looks like it. Sleeping Bio has something to say.
Can you call those hits a launcher?
Those are launches, yeah. In this game, this is a launch.
This one. Oh, unblockable.
Ooh, he wanted the grab,
Nice
he didn't
low.
get it, but then again, the low does it for Alexei.
Yeah, well,
So 2-0, Alexei. Match point.
this is one thing I think this game has in common with Tekken, that lows are a bit rarer
Yeah.
than mids. And there are also highs you can cut.
Yes, you can duck. You can duck actually horizontal.
Oh yeah.
It's like here's the horizontal and vertical moves.
Yeah. Like A and B, A
And
is
that
hor-
was it, and that was really convincing.
That was winners finals.
Cervantes de Leon takes it for Alexei.
Alexei moves on to grand finals.
Yeah.
Now we will see Rod versus Sleeping Bio.
So I will change my positions.
And I think we'll play the match immediately.
yeah, no, pretty.
Nice. So now I'll just wait for my co-commentator, Alexei.
Now let's switch to commentators.
So I don't know a lot about Soul Calibur, but I can say that this was a pretty nice performance by you.
Thanks, man. Appreciate that.
No problem.
No, his Changhua was a bit tougher than his
but-
Voldo. But I know Voldo, that's
Yeah,
the
just
problem.
like Rod told me.
But he also
Rod
plays
plays
Changhua, man.
Changhua. Yeah, that's what he told me.
I played this game a lot.
So will we have a Voldo mirror,
Oh, the Voldo mirror.
or will we have Voldo versus Xiaohua? Changhua. Sorry.
Changhua, yeah.
Changhua.
Versus Voldo.
So it's Voldo versus Voldo, eh?
Watched over by the Almighty Ones, they unleash
Isn't
their
the skin on the
fury.
left his Soul Blade skin? This one?
No.
Looks like a little bit. The mask.
No, it was not a...
I cannot remember it very well, but I thought I have seen this before.
In Soul Calibur 3. He had something similar.
Oh, probably yes. Was there also a game where he had just like bands all around him, bandages?
That was the second.
Oh,
Warriors first, one of them.
I have no idea.
But let's concentrate on the match.
Yeah.
First round goes to Rod. I know he likes the third outfit, so he must be pissed.
Yeah, definitely. So,
Nice gimmick, you see?
nice feeling. It's hard to commentate on Voldo.
Yeah, you can.
You just can't.
Okay, nice one there. Get some hit. Again. Ooh, the low, watch your feet. 4-4-2 again. Nah.
So it's
Stop that.
2-0 for Rod in the first match of Losers Finals.
Three, fight.
So we'll see Voldo just chopping around.
Oh, he wanted to grab, but he gets grabbed.
What? That's a nice grab animation, if I may say so.
Voldo.
Yeah, it's Voldo.
Voldo grab. Ooh, nice grab.
I think it's pretty obvious that Rod plays Voldo. He's like the Yoshimitsu of
With the
Soul
Yoshimitsu.
Calibur. Definitely. Or Yoshimitsu is the Yoshimitsu of Soul Calibur, but this
Yeah,
is Yoshimitsu.
This is also Blade.
Yeah.
Nice, convincing.
Nice, convincing first match.
Voldo wins.
So first match goes to Rad. Here, in losers final. Here.
So we'll see at Gameland. Sorry.
You almost forgot,
I'm
man.
sorry.
Versus
So
Voldo.
we'll have another Voldo mirror.
A hero desires a sword, and a sword desires truth.
So we'll see the whole entrance for both of the characters.
Fight.
So in Egypt.
Are we? Oh yeah, obviously. Gets back turn. What's that move? The elbow.
That's his back turn move. You know, he has.
Yeah.
Sokaibu 3 he can block. Can
Oh.
even block.
He can block out of back turn.
Yeah, Sokaibu 3, not here.
Very interesting.
Ooh, nice grab.
Nice grab.
Not pretty good for Sleeping Bio. And then again, resistance for your different field. And it is.
Is it? One
First
note
round
to
for
Sleeping
Sleeping Bio.
Bio.
Sleeping Bio is still alive.
Showing us a great movement at the end of the round there. Nice. Nice interruption. Ooh,
That was a pretty round.
instant ring out. Nicely done.
No,
Very nicely done.
the stage is small.
Yep.
No, that's a
No,
disadvantage.
it's a really small stage, so
Gotta watch the surroundings.
he wanted to whip punish it with another unblockable.
Watch the road.
What's the mid? Another ring out? Ooh, that was close.
And again,
And now he got it with the normal hits.
very fast round here.
Fight.
And Rod back with the lead.
Now let's see weird movement options. Really weird movement options.
What? Ooh, that was
Ooh, nice grab. Nice grab.
Ooh, that was guaranteed. Nice, nice low.
Nice low.
He wanted to sidestep that, but it was too late. But that's the second game for Rod. One game away from Grand Finals, from between Grand Finals,
Yep. As always here in Luxembourg.
as always.
As always.
It has been a long time since we had
No,
a
it's-
Spiga final.
That's true.
But nothing is decided.
Xianghua can still
Yeah.
make the comeback. But the problem is, Rod plays her himself, so he knows the matchup pretty well.
He knows.
And he knows Volvo like the back of his hand. So he should know all the punishes and stuff.
I think Sleeping Bio should have switched the first time.
Yeah, I think he should have.
It's a bit late.
I don't think he should have picked Volvo at all, maybe. Because
Maybe
Rod,
because he knows
Rod has played Volvo for
he's a Volvo player.
maybe 20 years or something. Almost.
And I hope he's getting announced for Tekken 6. Tekken 6, yeah, so Calibur.
Tekken 6, yeah.
The new game, you know?
The new game, 2007.
Nice, first round goes then to Rod.
So,
Ooh, it's last.
oh, nice sidestep.
That's
The bit low.
That. Third time.
Nice parry. Nice low, mid. Ooh, the crawl thing.
Get the shoot
And the
out.
ringer! Get out of my stage!
Stop, she's already dead, man.
Get off my stage! This is potentially the match round.
Fight.
Could be. If Sleeping Bio doesn't break up.
If Sleeping Bio keeps on sleeping, he's not gonna win this.
Poor choice of name.
I think Sleeping Bio should change his name to Woke Bio. This could help. Doesn't parry the low or block the low. Just on the ground.
Pretty slow. Ooh,
Nice,
and
nice
that's
low
it.
block. And
Nice
this is
punish.
it. That's it. 3-0 to Rod. And he moves on to Grand Finals to face his twin brother.
Yeah, so I'm out.
You.
Wish me luck, man.
Yeah. Good luck to you. Good luck to your brother. I'm not biased at all. Now I'll just wait for my other co-commentator, Sleeping Bio, from Denmark.
You're giving me bad luck again.
I'm not
it's all
giving.
your fault.
I'm not giving you bad luck.
No. You did it
No.
so like yesterday and the day before, and
I
now
didn't.
today too. Yeah.
I didn't give you bad luck at all.
Whenever you're near me, man,
It's just you being unlucky.
because you're there.
Maybe.
It's you and Yami that's sitting down there.
Yeah, well,
I see you.
it's just Yami's fault. Or it's just because you've kept on sleeping. Am I right, Sleeping Bio?
Really? We're gonna do the sleeping check.
Should have changed your name to Woke Bio.
Yeah, I actually should have, because I only slept like 1 hour.
Yeah. So now let's get on with the game.
So,
I'll just change names here.
Versus Cervantes.
let's. I am in grand finals.
You're
I'm
in
playing
grand
with my
finals.
mind. I'm
So on the right side we have.
Okay, Okay, so Alex and winners, yeah. You're putting Alex and losers. Oh, okay. So what is it? Rob lost early on in the bracket. Alex has got that.
Alexander does have the advantage because he won, I think it was 2-0 to Alexander. I think it was 2-0 in the bracket. I'm not really sure. The parries, nice parries. You can see that twin brother.
Yeah. Finger like. Yeah.
I don't. I want to see Voltage grab. It's really good. It's really good. But Cervantes Ceres also. I want to see Voldo's crawl thingy. It just looks so good. Nice little option. Back turn. Oh yeah. He's Yoshimitsu and Ecstasy. That's just what he is. Nicely done. And this smart loop back. What a good. Ooh. It looks so dirty. It's like PG-13. There we go. Another parry. Another grab. Whoa. Interesting grab. Me neither. But I started playing the game about 2 hours ago, so. Nice back turn. Oh. So. Alex in with the life. Cancelling the unblockable. Yeah. He's just cancelling the unblockable. And using a mid poke, high poke. Using a poke. Poking with the sword and taking the round. Ooh, interesting. Is that actually a move he did, or is that just a move that's tracking like that? Me neither. I have no idea.
Yeah. So we kind of got a lot about this game.
He told me the last Soul Calibur you played was 4.
Yeah, that was pretty clever.
Yeah, well, 2. And it's 2-2.
Yeah.
This could go either way. They know each other like the back of their hands.
Right, you gotta win. Do it for the Waldo.
Alexander's gonna win. Do it for the Cervantes.
I'm gonna see it like a reset.
Oh, a half-life combo out of back turn. Yeah. That's almost second damage. Nice low, I think that's a move.
That is a move.
It is a move, definitely. Nice punish on the stance.
Not like great.
Last hit's gonna kill. Ooh! Nice whiff punish on the unblockable. I thought so too. But apparently it didn't. It looked like he blocked it.
Yeah, it did.
Or could he parry it? Can you parry unblockables?
I don't know. Can you carry unblockable?
He didn't parry it, so.
We even knew that. We talked about that earlier.
So who won now?
That
was Rob winning. One step closer to the bracket reset.
Yes. With that alien mask.
With that alien mask. I prefer the other skin he has.
Oh,
going for Maxi.
Maxi, yeah.
Interesting. Also a pretty boy. No wonder he played him.
At Bruce Lee.
Fate has inspired to arrange
Pretty much,
their
yeah.
battle.
Well, nunchucks are just a Bruce Lee reference. Yeah.
I was to say Raphael, but that's not him.
No, it's not really.
Yeah.
Raphael is a knight, right? Oh.
I don't really follow this.
Me neither. I just know that Secret is Nightmare, and that's all I know. So this is pretty even. Not anymore, though.
Wow, okay.
We got Alexei at the advantage, and
Dancing around Waldo.
what was that?
So Waldo has a thing where he press B and say kick
Yeah.
in a direction. Normally the direction he actually blocks like horizontal or vertical.
Okay.
That also makes him going to great things like standing on his hand and leg with his back. That ring out just happened.
And a perfect ring out. It was a perfect ring out. Nasty. 2-0 to Alexei in the second match. Grand finals. Still? Yeah. Oh! What did it?
I love that. I don't understand anything. So he goes to the ground and explodes. So if you're standing near you.
So he explodes.
Yeah,
That's good. And it's 2-1 now. is this going to be the turnaround for this match? Or will Alexin still be able to take it? Nice parry. Really weird move. Using nunchucks on him. Using the Lee moves. Somersault. Stabbing the shins. Last hit could do it. Last hit did it. It's 1-1 now. To Alexin.
It's 2-1 to Rod.
It's 1-1.
Yeah.
Exactly, 1-1.
Yeah.
Just like you said.
He's
So are we going to see? Are we going to see Xianghua
I don't think
from Alexei? From Rod? He does. He told me that he does.
Wow.
You're just a copycat.
Apparently I'm just a copycat.
And he stays with Baldo.
Even though I only picked it because he's Hattia.
Yeah.
Just like Street Fighter.
Did you check the tier list just before the tournament, or did you just know? Oh. Well, I didn't.
I just had to make sure.
I just know that Nightmare is the final boss, and I like Siegfried and so great, so.
You normally also go for the final boss counters, but he's too slow.
Ah. Well, I like him because I played Siegfried so great.
He's just hard.
Yeah. It's nice, but he did damage. Pretty great life advantage for Rod here. He's in ducking. Ring, ducking. And Rod always showing the replays. Just intimidating the opponent, that's all he's doing.
It's actually really nice. That makes me like how bad it is.
Definitely.
Carry
Oh, nice combo. So, this is nice grab break. Now we'll see.
Okay.
The roll explode. Oh my god, this is so crazy. When Baldo's on his... Is this gonna be it? Yes. The somersault does it. Maxi takes the round. And shows us his soul. He went ham. He went to the Maxi. What is that? I think. Well,
So many moves
we'll see.
on this game.
Oh, you forgot about that, probably. Well, I never knew them to begin with.
Well,
Yeah, well. Are we gonna see the Boulder stuff? This could be. This is it.
normally when he
2-1.
stepping
Yeah.
legs, you can jump in the air and actually.
Okay. Nice. Oh, nice parry. And he gets a long.
Alex,
Yeah. Alexin definitely has life advantage.
one more hit and
Any hit and this run is done.
and
And that's 2-2 in this third match of the grand finals. So Alexin should be pretty comfortable coming from winners and now being even, but still a reset up. Now Boulder has the big life advantage. This, ooh, now he got him back turned. Snake Edge! Snake Edge in Snake in his own caliber. But now
tap to the
that's the
face.
2-1 to Rod. But still, we need more Snake Edge.
Yeah.
Will Alexin stay with Maxi? Or will he not? Will we see more Snake Edge?
Spawn. I hope. Because I haven't seen him.
What does Spawn do?
Spawn?
He,
Oh.
he, I couldn't read the name, I don't know who it is.
Taki.
I knew that, of course.
Yeah.
You said ninja.
Don't resist!
I couldn't see.
The fighters face
I
a
don't know.
gruesome
Were you
quest.
sleeping on the job?
I don't know.
So we have an alien versus a ninja. It's nearly alien versus person.
So, both of them rocking that skin-tight suit. I don't know who it fits better.
So we have skin type suit.
I think Baldo fits better. So,
Definitely. Purple is from this color. Kidnapping size.
none.
But no program. Okay.
Nicely done. The weird stance. And it's pretty even.
Yeah, it is.
Now Alexin has the advantage. Alex is really determined to take this with all the characters he plays. What are those things?
He's diving down.
Well, those things just gave him the round.
I had to actually powerless. For like a split second, they were powerless.
Yeah. Oh, launcher.
Killing someone.
Well, getting in those pokes of Voldo. I think Voldo is a very good poking character.
Yeah.
And a chip damage character.
He's just annoying in general. But
Yeah.
he has so many things that go for one.
And everything just looks so crazy. It's so hard to deal with.
That's the beautiful about this game, is that everything is so crazy.
Yeah, exactly. And their secret is just a knight.
Yeah.
And that's duo as well.
Let your guard down.
Alexin got the round. Alexin might take the match.
If Rob loses, that means we don't get Voldo and take out the 6 again.
Nope. That's exactly what it means.
Yep.
No Voldo, but therefore Secret and Nightmare. I love it.
Same.
Well, in Tekken 2 it was, yes. I think so, yes. It looked like it.
Alex won that round. So it's 2-2.
Didn't matter at all. It's 2-2. This is match game for a tournament match for everyone.
Match point 5.
No, tournament game. Tournament match.
I'm just messing with you, Bobby.
Boy. Why your boy? Don't do that. Nilly boy. So, this is potentially the last match of this tournament. I love this stage.
Same here.
It's looking really great out there.
The green goes so well with Voldo's purple.
The green goes well. Voldo goes well with anything. That's just how he is.
Like potatoes.
So now let's comment on the match. It was pretty even. So yeah, definitely. Voldo chipping away. Nice parry. He just knows that 3-hit string. Ooh, last hit can do it. But Alexei not giving up at all. The grab. Last hit could take it for any side. Nicely done. Dive kicks, dive punches. Nicely.
But it doesn't. It's gonna be a kick.
Yeah.
I can't fault it.
So, first round goes to Rod and Voldo with shuffling around there. Launch and it's even again. No, it's not even anymore. So I think the Taki switch was good idea by Alexei. It looks like Rod doesn't know that matchup as well as the Cervantes matchup.
Well, I'm guessing that they're like it's
Yeah, I
pretty
think
much,
so.
Instead of counters, mostly
Yeah, exactly. It's mostly just like them knowing each other's mindsets and stuff. So this could be the bracket reset for Rod.
like
And-
like no great opponent with someone you grew up with
Exactly.
and you played with. I'm guessing that
Yeah, they just know you like the back of their hand.
helps being twins.
Yeah, exactly. They're just the same personality. Oh, nice parry. That looked like an orbital heal.
Yeah. Snake it.
What is this? Tekken?
What's next?
Dragunov running too? What was he doing? Styling on him?
That's the thing with how something better.
Oh yeah, just like you said before. So Alexin getting the first hits in, and already half-life gone. This is looking pretty convincing.
It's so beautiful this game. Like it goes so fast.
Yeah,
You
that's
sit there like oh
yeah. Well, I have no experience at all with this game, but I really love it. It's just so great to play. Just every hit is satisfying. And nice low. This could be tournament round for Alexei. Will he take that chance?
this game is so old, but it's more beautiful than games that came out like
Definitely.
months ago.
It's like the neutral is so complex. It has so many movement options. Horizontal sidestep and diagonal sidestep, like everything. This could take the round.
Yeah,
And
that did take it.
Rod gets the bracket reset and will have another potentially 5 matches.
Good play.
Versus Taki.
No character change
A
though.
hero desires a
different
sword
character.
and a
Oh, nice.
battle
Good to see Rod still sticking with Voldo. I don't think we're gonna see change in character.
But that did not work.
Was it?
The jump was
Oh, interesting.
grab.
Yeah, well, it's grab.
Brain did not work this time around.
Oh.
Spider damage.
It's called Spider Dam.
I don't know. I call it
Okay, I call it the bridge.
weird spider damage.
The Spider Bridge. Let's go. But Alex, I'm still having the life advantage. Like, ooh, weird. Couldn't punish that. Nice.
No, did not pay
Nice
off.
low block and nice punish. Was really a little bit too damn. His other animation is just beautiful. Him shuffling around like the. Huh? Like he's living on ice. Interesting.
Alex is this game.
Yeah, Alexane is just. Oh, the unblockable hitting, and it's.
You hate that.
I hate that move. It's like sidestepping doesn't work. Nothing works. Will he take the round? Who will take it? Alexane takes it. This could be the first match for Alexane. Will he take the chance? We'll see in maximum 60 seconds. So it's pretty even right now. And nice grab. Half-life gone. The dive punch. Half-life free. Half-life free confirmed. And Alexane retakes life advantage. Last hit could kill.
That one is not work.
Oh.
Tapping that low.
And Rod made the comeback.
Imagine like hitting your little toe into a blade instead of ball.
It sounds like it's a bit more cake. But stepping on Lego? Well, comparable.
I don't know how losing this and stepping on Lego are just one works, but we'll make sure to have a losing.
Yeah, definitely. Nice parry, back turn, another parry, and a command grab, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I don't think in 3D fighters there's.
Just try to do a block.
I think so.
He actually did.
Like, that's the mind games of Soul Calibur. Last hit could kill. Last hit is going to kill, definitely.
Ice cream all over.
But who gets it? Alexane takes it. It's 1-0 to Alexane.
Managed to gain some of that momentum.
Be gone!
No character change yet.
No? I don't think we're gonna see a character change from Rod. I don't think he's gonna change away from Voldo.
Now,
He told me he's his favorite fighting game character of all time.
Well, it makes sense in case you're switcher attack.
Yeah. Ooh, the worm. Nice parry. And the was that a low one? Or was that or just high damage? Because of the key charge thingy.
And the kid gets it.
And Rod takes the first round.
Yep.
Styling.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Let's focus on the ball, if that helps.
Nice whip punch by Alexane. And Alexane working on that perfect. It's working. No. Well, I jinxed it. This could even be the comeback.
Oh, it looks like. Nobody's without
This is the comeback.
That is the comeback.
I'm sorry, Alexane.
I'm not.
Well. And it's 2-0 to Rod in this second match. Then finals after break reset.
No escape!
It was a really good carry on the dive punch. That big thing. Whatever.
A lot of highlights.
Voldo with a big life advantage. This could be.
No, kicking.
Going away, back turn.
Gonna do some damage.
And it's pretty much even. No, the last hit could kill. And it is gonna kill. This is 1-1.
It's weird, like. He lifts himself off the ground and kicks with his foot up, like
Well,
behind him.
don't you ever do that?
No, at least not to try and hit someone.
Someone else will do it.
Oh wait.
Oh, we see a character change to Cervantes again. I think he just remembered the bracket matches.
Watched over by the
Or
almighty
he won 2-0 or 2-1, I don't remember anymore exactly.
Maybe he heard Rod has PTSD about it.
Maybe.
Battle 1. Fight.
So as far as I know, Cervantes is Ivy's father, I think. That's all I know.
He's a tiger.
Yeah, that much you know as well. Isn't he the one who found Soul Blade? Or Soul Calibur? Soul Edge? One of those?
I think so.
Maybe. Nice grab. Nice grab takes it though. Whatever he found the kill. And it's 1-0 to Alex. Pretty much. And the unblockable. Nice side step. Almost even. And what the slow advantage. And the unblockable. And plus frames, I think. Or just staying away, dancing. And he takes it. Second round goes to Alexander as well. This is looking much better. Yeah. Yeah.
That means getting punished, so...
Yeah. Can you parry grabs or do you have to break them? Okay. Parry grabs, that would be... Yeah, he's working on that perfect. But will he get it though? No, will he not? Fujinski all the time. And another whiffed unblockable. Nice duck on the throw. Had no attack. So it's 2-1 to Alex.
This is a tournament game.
Yep. This could be tournament game for Alex. This is tournament game for Alex then.
Last
Again.
time you said that.
Rod.
He came with a comeback.
Last time we said that Alexen could take it. Rod took it. Yeah. But
I went to Egyptian stage.
this is a very small stage, so we could expect some ring outs. Well, yeah. Nice block. Is it a low? Okay.
There you go. That's it.
And he takes the first round. Pretty convincingly.
Battle 2. Fight.
Was he? Well, I wouldn't know. Unblockable. He cancels it and gets punished anyway. We could. It could be more even right now. And Alexen takes it. It's 1-1.
Looking to try to do
I think so.
something magic.
Well, it's Volder, so it has to try something flash.
No punishing after
Good. I thought he would be back turn, but he wasn't for some reason.
you can... Not really good at doing that, so... Try to stay away from
Okay. And a counter hit into almost even again. Okay.
Okay, kick to the face. And praying works again.
Ooh. Last hit's gonna kill for Rod. And it does.
Kick to the stomach.
And it's 2-1 to Rod in this match.
The disrespect. Lifting him up on his
Picking him up again for the next round.
What a nice guy.
Such a nice guy. He just wants to fight some more.
Just wants to dribble everybody. Harry.
Exactly. Nice combo. Launcher into grab. That's a really nice looking grab. Nice carry. That's also a nice looking grab. Well, the game is just so good looking. It's from, when's it from? 2001, 2002? PlayStation 2 era, I think. Still a kid.
Older than you.
So, I'm an infant.
Which one of us has the better beard? Not you.
Define better.
I have a beard.
Okay. So, this is tournament round for Alex then. Will he take it now, or will he delay it, or even lose it?
But it's also final round though.
Yeah, exactly.
Rod could take it. Possible, huh?
Rod could take it, and we're gonna go to a tournament match for both of them. Nice parry. So, Alex in the advantage now.
See, it's so like, I don't know because I played Rod in second.
Yeah.
He technically he takes the ground so much. Yeah. He doesn't do that here.
No, not at all. And this takes it. This is gonna be the last match of the tournament. It's 2-2. Will we see a character switch? We will not. This is going to be the last matchup of the tournament.
Yeah.
Cervantes, Alexane's main for years, and Voldo.
Yeah.
Rod's favorite fighting game character. Just as a whole.
It's a really good guy.
Yeah, he's really good. And he's Italian, so that even plus points.
You don't play it.
No.
That's like you eating pineapple on pizza.
Because I'm right. So, and Alexane with the big life advantage.
Yeah.
Almost even more than double the health now.
That's right.
Now Alexane's trying to poke him away.
Ah, and he starts to kick, but that's not the right one.
And Alexane takes the first round of this match with the grab.
Look at each other's eyes like, yo, what up? I'm grab you? No, I'm gonna dunk. Oh.
What is this? Mind games. Even the commentators can't follow.
And something new.
Alexane working on that perfect again.
Yeah, it is.
Charging up the unblockable and then cancelling it again. Just like he does always. For some reason.
Oh, this is a good one. It has like long range.
Yeah, it's just like Voldo. We cannot test it. I
I
tried.
think it's just you being bad.
Maybe.
Yeah. Normally just stay away from it and you get
Yeah.
uppercut.
Yeah. Is it? Yeah. So it's 2-0 to Alexane. This is tournament round.
Yes, you did that. So he actually I
He
could
does.
see him winning that.
Yeah.
But he's losing it a little bit.
Well, Voldo has a big life advantage. But still, it's Soul Calibur. Anything can change at any moment.
It's gonna be very fun.
Definitely. It's a high damage game.
Definitely.
And this could take it. No, it's not. It's not. Nice low block. This could still be the comeback now.
Also, come back. I was just
This could be. Oh.
got punished.
And he whiffs. Yeah. We jinxed it. Again.
You did.
We did.
You did.
We did.
Yami did.
Yami did.
Yeah.
He's not listening. So, another grab. And Alexane with the life advantage. This is looking much better than last round.
Definitely.
This could be the one he's winning. Nice blocks.
Puts you so far away.
Another grab. Alexane having more than double the health of his brother. Will he see an explosion? Nice block. Is this going to be it? This could be it. The last hit is gonna kill. And this could. Oh,
But that hit
It's
we've seen
2-2.
so many times.
this is tournament round for both of them.
Yeah.
This is the last round of the tournament.
That's not a normal game.
No, it's a Voldo kick.
Well, yeah, of course it is.
It is Voldo kick.
Doesn't make it better.
Yeah, that's the best thing about it. Oh, nice start on the throw. And Alexane with a big life advantage already. 2 hits and a half life. 3 hits, you're dead.
I don't know, yeah.
Sounds like Paul and Taki.
Sounds like Marvel.
Sounds like Marvel. One hit, you're
Oh,
dead.
he missed the grab again. No explosion this time, though.
This,
Learn this lesson.
I can see the intensity in their faces. This could be more intense.
The good thing is that you can actually see what
This,
when
the last hit is going to kill for Alexane. Will he win it? Nice low block. And he takes it. This is it. Alexane is our Soul Calibur 2 champion here at Gameland 2. Congratulations to you. Congratulations to Rod. Congratulations to you, Sleeping Bio, for being a top 3.
Yeah.
Now, go get your medal.